President Emmerson Mnangagwa is once again blamed motorists for the country's worsening road carnage, vowing a crackdown on reckless drivers, while remaining silent on the dangerous state of Zimbabwe's roads, which many say are just as responsible for ongoing bloodshed. Sabena mashoko kuda panguva ine mtungamiri wenyika achiignore the crumbling state of the roads. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa munoziva mnangagwaZim. Speaking at the 385th ordinary session of the Sadc Politburo in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa said the government would take tough action in courts. Good behavior on our roads is not tolerated, he said. But his remarks sparked criticism, with observers accusing the president of deflecting blame from collapsing bridges to crater-sized potholes. Zimbabwe's road infrastructure continues to deteriorate, yet authorities seldom acknowledge the state's responsibility. Mnangagwa instead used the Politburo platform to rally his party around electoral victories and the long-term loyalty in courts. Going forward, I urge all structures to consolidate these electoral gains as well as the dominance and popularity of our party, he said. The various empowerment programs that we continue to roll out should be diligently implemented to ensure that all projects realize their intended objectives. He also emphasized the role of youths, women, and war veterans in strengthening ZANU-PF's grassroots appeal. He also highlighted recent foreign engagements with Equatorial Guinea and Japan as part of efforts to boost international ties. We must deepen national consciousness amongst the youths to enable them to respond to the ever-shifting needs of our people, added. Domashukano kuda panguva ino atogwa nemutungamiri wenyika pamusoro pemaroad accidents ari kuonekwa kunzi they are claiming malives evakawanda achiti they are going to intensify the crackdown kune madrivers ose asiri kuchengetedza mitemo yemumugwagwa. Vari panguva ine macritics anoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika ari kuuya asingadresi issue at the state of the roads. Tudze mafundo enyu tudi pamusoro pechitiko chikuna kuma section medu zemafundo enyu. Subscribe or like to the bell icon.